Here I'm using a stud finder to get a better understanding of the working environment. Now I'm preparing the working area. The following will be used as the side panel. I'm not adding any glue to the biscuit slots to avoid biscuit telegraphing. Marking and drilling pocket holes at the bottom will do the same thing at the top. Using the Pythagorean theorem, I was able to calculate my starting points. Marked the location of the studs and pre-drilled. Getting rid of any loose nails. Next, I'm installing the back panel. A laser guide helps in knowing where are those studs. Preparing the door entry. Yep, we'll hold it. This goes next to the panel. Had to remove a little piece of the trim to make the door snug. We'll have to cut 1/8 of an inch from both doors. Moving to doorknobs installation. Same steps for this panel as well. For the ceiling, I'm going to use this piece of plywood and I will connect it to this piece of wood from the inside. Since you're not able to see it, it will go around this area, and it needs to be level with this piece. Coming up next, trimming, hiding all the imperfections. Once you're satisfied, nail it and done. Demolition! Save those two nails for the end. For those wondering about the price, so if you have the tools it will be around 300. Otherwise, if you purchase all the tools as well, then roughly around 2 grand.